Best Friends Animal Society is a story about belief.
There's not a day that goes by that I don't see a miracle happen with one of these dogs.
Best Friends' goal is simple: to end the killing of dogs and cats in our nation's shelters.
Our mission is really to just save them all.
At Instinct Pet Food, we're on a mission to transform the lives of pets through the pure, real nutrition of raw. Because we believe that all pets deserve the best life possible. And it's that belief that inspired us to take action, to do our part, to feed what's real to the pets who need it the most. We've been supplying Instinct Pet Food to Best Friends Animal Sanctuary since the start of 2015. And as their official pet food partner, we're proud to provide over 1 million meals annually to the dogs and cats in all Best Friends adoption centers nationwide.
The dogs and cats love Instinct. I mean, you open a new bag and they're just jumping for joy.
We understand the power of raw nutrition. We believe in it, and we know the good it can do. It only makes sense to share it.
Having a resource like Instinct to help motivate them and to show them that the world's not a scary place and there's something really delicious at the end of the tunnel.
Instinct is a key element in the transformative journey of these dogs and cats.
The health benefits from eating the food are tremendous. We see nice glossy coats,
Keeping weight on, resting more.
good dental hygiene.
They're happier, they're healthier, and they're really excited at feeding time.
Because what we feed them can make all the difference.
It's really important for us to have dogs that are trained so they can be adopted. The way to a dog's heart, training-wise, is through her stomach. So the better your treats are, the better your training is going to be. And if we have great treats, then it could lead to dogs getting adopted faster.
We think we should feed what's real, nutrient-rich, grain-free, and natural.
I'm big on protein as the first ingredient, which that doesn't mean meat byproducts, as you don't want junk food first. You want whole protein.
We think food should nourish, re-energize, and excite. What we feed them should contribute to happy, healthy, adoptable pets. We're coming together to redefine better for all pets and to give them the best lives possible.
It just makes me feel better about the quality of life that they have here with Instinct.
Our partnership unites two connected and meaningful missions, and its power is found in a deeply rooted shared belief.
I think the core of that belief is kindness to animals. That's an underlying tenet of everything that we do.
Together we will change attitudes. Together we will transform and save the lives of pets.